Hello, in this video I want to show you how to stop message request on Instagram. First you need to open the Instagram app on your phone. Just click on the icon and then go to the profile page, and here find the three lines on the top right corner. Just click on it and here find the setting and privacy. Just click on it and here just scroll down and find the messages and story replies. Select it. Here select the message controls and here find the your followers on Instagram request. Here click on the don't receive request and then you can people on Facebook request you can change to don't receive request too, and others on Instagram don't request here we can set. And as can we see this all parameters for this function, we can't set the don't receive here. And this all for today. Goodbye.